Hello, this is a short tutorial on connecting your Google account in Classlink. After logging into Classlink using your network credentials, you'll come to your launch page. To connect your Google account, you need to go to your profile in the upper right-hand corner. From here, you click on the arrow and go to Settings. In Settings, you will need to find Sign In. Right here, you will see the Google account disconnected. You click on the link and choose the correct account, and you are now logged in with your Google account, which will help you get into many of your applications on your Launchpad. So if I am ever signed out of Classlink, I can now sign in with Google, choose the correct account, and get to my launch page.